Hello, let's paint a very simple watercolor landscape with sky and the field with yellow flowers, just using two colors, yellow and blue. I will go for yellow, which is cadmium yellow, and for blue, which is ultramarine blue. I will start with the sky, and for that I'm going to use ultramarine blue. Just big brush and a lot of ultramarine blue. You can use any brush you have, but it should be rather big brush. With small brush, it's not that pleasant to work and it will take time. With the same brush and clean water, I will add, it's clean water, yeah? So, like this. So it's wet. And now I'm taking that blue and just a bit more of these sky effects. Very intensive color. Usually the sky is more intensive up and down because it's getting warmer and lighter close to the horizon line. That's why I'm doing like this. Let it bleed there. And just hold it a bit. Now I'm changing my brush to a smaller brush. It's just normal size, not that big one. And I'm mixing the same ultramarine and adding a bit of cadmium yellow to mix them together. Leaving 1 millimeter place because you know what happens. The sky will bleed into my felt. If it happens on some places, it's okay, but not everywhere. Mixing it a bit more. And now just a bit of diagonal movements. When you come closer, it's getting warmer. That's why more yellow. You see my movements are rather brave, rather flexible hand. Some darker as well, so just using more of blue. Clean dry brush. I will make this a bit smoother. Just clean dry brush, nothing on this brush. Very thick paint. The same colors and this grass effect. For grass effect, it's important that you use synthetic brush, because synthetic brush and very thick paint on it, and as a result your grass doesn't bleed. Use your nail. These are also grasses, and I create chaos out of grasses. Clean dry brush again, checking this place. So I'm accurate all the time to checking that it doesn't bleed in that way that I don't want. But no water, just clean dry brush. So like washing it out. Waiting a bit again, mixing the paint even thicker and more grasses. Very thick paint. It looks even like dry brush effect. And I also want to add some yellow flowers to my felt. I'm taking yellow, very thick, with also a synthetic brush. And now I have to cover my sky, otherwise it will be in yellow dot. And making these effects. So that's it about very easy landscape just with 2 colors.